This time check is brought to you by Department of Health. Huwag magpaloko sa vape at sigarilyo.
ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya, new white rose papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para extraordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, for you and me. With MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Here's a DOH reminder for your health to do your part.
Kung naninigarilyo ka, hindi lang sarili mo ang naaapektuhan. Ang bawat usok nito nalalanghap ng anak mo, ng asawa mo. Ang second-hand smoke ay may mahigit 7,000 kemikal. Higit 70 dito ay carcinogenic o maaaring magdulot ng cancer. Huwag magyosi, huwag mag-vape. Ito po si SecTed nagpapaalala mula sa Department of Health. Huwag magpaloko sa vape at sigarilyo.
Goodbye to me, basta. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labatan yan. Bright bar blue.
Ride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, basta. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labatan yan.
Tested ang Coppin and Polycoppin. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Ride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Magandang kalusugan po. Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mahal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774. Your clinic on the air.